I'm on my way to Las Vegas for a trade show, but anytime I take a long road trip like that, I try to find some kind of detour I can take to try out something new. I had a couple people recommend the stretch of the historic Route 66 between Ash Fork and Kingman in northern Arizona. Right now I'm in Ash Fork. As with most Route 66 towns, you can tell that there was once a lot of stuff going on here and a lot of character. But time takes its toll, and as people stopped coming and stopped passing through here, the economics didn't work out, and everything is just sort of in rough shape. Tried to cross as fast train neared. Death didn't draft him. Volunteered. Burma Shave. The one who drives when he's been drinking depends on you to do his thinking. Burma Shave. If daisies are your favorite flower, keep pushing up those miles per hour. Burma Shave. You can drive a mile a minute, but there is no future in it. Burma Shave. Okay, sometimes there's a side road you can't pass up. So this is, what is this, Antares Road. I was driving by and it just looked interesting, so checking it out. It apparently goes up to the sky bridge at the Grand Canyon. I don't know anything about it, but it seems pretty cool. I've never been up this way before, but I'll have to check it out sometime. Alright, obviously I had to turn around at some point because I have to get back on track. But this seems like a pretty cool road. I have no idea where it goes or how long it is or what else is up there. I don't have any phone signal here, so can't really check it out. But I'm definitely going to investigate it a little bit when I get back. Antares Road. Well, I made it all the way to Kingman. That was a fun segment of the Route 66. And now it's time to get back on track and get to Vegas.